What's up, everyone? It's Colin with Kill Mode, and today we are meeting up with my friend Baxter in a couple minutes, actually, and taking a look at his brand new, or new to him, R33 that came in, I think a few hours ago, like 4 a.m. So he brought this one in from Hawaii. He imported his last one, but it got totaled. So yeah, it looks like a good car. Looks really nice, and has a lot of mods. So I'm excited to see it. How it is compared to the last one, I guess. But come along, guys. We're also going to meet a few friends at Cars and Coffee up in the Woodlands, Market Street. Yeah, it'll be a good time. Let's go. Guys, check it out. Oh, my window. Very nice. Hello. Well, there she is. But no bumper. Find the car. What? The car talks to you and you put it in reverse. This is some whack stuff right here. Why does every Skyline that you get have to have something weird like that? The last one had antennas that came out of the roof, basically. But it's hard to pop. Oh my god! I thought I was gonna break it. I like this. This is nice. This is really nice.
I added you on Snap.
Very nice. Very nice, I like.
Very nice.
Oh, yeah. This is a little quirky.
Oh my god!
Why can't you actually... Yo, so we made it to the Woodlands. You did some sketchy shit.
Oh, I did some sketchy shit.
Stop. How was that drive for you? Let's talk about your coolant situation. How's that going?
Yeah, it's doing great. Apparently, Joseph over here says that I'm spitting out liquid that's pee when I'm flooring it. So
That's less than ideal.
yeah. So I'm lifting the head. It's great. It's great.
Wow.
I'd say more than that.
Need some head studs.
Piece of shit. Yeah.
His exhaust is like doing something totally funky down there. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah. When he's going down the road, it's like flopping around. It's flailing in the wind. I don't know what's going on. But his new nickname is Bumperless Baxter because, well, we all know why.
It's not Busted Sylvia anymore.
It's not Busted Sylvia. It's Bumperless Baxter. Because he never has a bumper. Ever.
Precision, baby!
Yo, Baxter just stalled at the light. Not sure what's going on, but it's funny because his last one had a really aggressive clutch. I don't think this one does, but he gets nervous. What happened at the light? When you stalled?
Oh, I don't know. I just didn't. I don't know.
I was laughing.
It's so easy to drive. I don't know how I stalled it, but whenever I stall it, I have to do the startup sequence. It can't start up immediately.
Yo, so this meet's fun and all, but like, there's never enough parking. It's kind of a disaster, but we're parked. Sorta, I guess. We got an M2 over there, but the meet is that way. But we got as close as we could. Start it first try. First try. that's pretty much it for the meet. I didn't get a whole lot of footage, but that's nice. So much red out here today. But yeah, so Hyatt and I are gonna go eat.
Let's go.
Black walnut. Finishing up.
It's doing stuff.
Stuffing things.
ABS.
Why does ABS have anything to do with this?
I don't know. It's a good question. Yeah,
Turn your burbles max aggressive for this drive.
they're already max aggressive, but they're short, so it goes.
Do them for a long time. How long can you make them go?
5 seconds.
Do it for 5 seconds.
No, I did it one time. It was really bad.
Do it. Just do it.
Why?
Because it's entertaining.
Okay.
You should do it for the YouTube.
Guy.
My guy Trevor. We just made our own spot.
The weekend to do work, and then what happens on Saturday afternoon? You gotta work some more, bro. You can't escape.
The grind don't stop. Grind don't
Grind
stop. Grind don't stop.
I
Grind
don't know
don't stop.
about grind. More
This
like,
is what happens when you work on the weekends,
more like
folks.
this is why you
This
don't
is
accept
this
the
is what
salary
happens.
job.
This is what happens when you work on the weekends.
Dude, you like the car?
I do like
Dude,
it.
I just put the
No,
car.
I like it. I like it.
This is Trevor's F13 M6, and it's like, I think it's Trevor, full bolt-ons?
Yeah, just downpipe and lowering springs and tune. That's it.
That's it. 93 tune?
That's all I
Or
need.
E85?
Yeah, 93.
Okay.
All I wanted was the turbo spool.
Turbo
And,
spool.
and to look cool. That's it. That's all I need.
I think you
sounds
accomplished both. Yeah, you got it. You got it done. Let's do a front lip check.
Dude, I appreciate
Bro, it's in one piece somehow. Everybody is doing better than I destroyed my lip on the first day, so.
These cars are weird. This exact car ran from 2012 to 2019. Yeah,
That's
it's really
sick.
weird.
Yeah.
And the facelift only changed the headlights and the screen. That's the only thing that changed.
Right. And they went to the 640i, never got the B58. It always had the
Yeah, I
M55.
always had the A55. It's weird. These
Oh,
cars
wait.
are strange.
They didn't want to update it because they knew the M8 was coming.
And
or
it's
like
weird
the 8
because
series.
the 2019 cars were actually built in 2017. They are 2017 builds. They stopped building them in 2017.
They just made
and
enough.
They sold them all the way to 19. It's really wild.
That's wild.
These cars are wacky.
So there's no reason to get a newer one
There's
other than warranty.
absolutely no reason except for the headlights and the screen.
The headlights look good.
Yeah, so Daniel Hyde and I decided we're gonna grab some Taco Bell. I don't know. Hyatt's pops are going off today. It's kind of crazy, honestly, but yeah, we're gonna grab some food, and then I don't know if there's any meets tonight. I'm kind of tired of going to meets at this point. It sounds stupid, but there's been like, I've gone to 3 today. So all of the clips you've seen have been a compilation of 3 different meets. And going between them. But yep, we're gonna grab some food, and there might be more tonight. I don't really know. All right,